Hi and welcome to Beware of the Beam. My name is Joachim and this is the Fenix LR60R, the so far strongest flashlight from Fenix with 21,000 lumen and over 1,000 meters of reach. The 21,000 lumen are delivered by multiple LEDs. This concept has already been used for the Fenix LR40R. One luminous SFT70 LED makes the spotlight. That's the same LED which is also used in the TK20R version 2, but in the LR60R the reflector diameter is 5.5 cm. 12 luminous SST40 LEDs surround that spotlight. That's the same number of LEDs like in two LR35R flashlights. There are three modes for floodlight, at 2000, 6000 and 15,000 lumen. And there are four spotlight modes at 50, 300, 1000 and 3000 lumen. The turbo mode combines spot and floodlight with 21,000 lumen output. For this mode the floodlight delivers another 3000 lumen more than in turbo flood mode. There's a mechanical rotary switch to choose the light mode. If you turn the ring left you will access the floodlight modes and the special modes SOS and strobe. Turn the ring to the right for spotlight modes and turbo mode with combined spot and floodlight. The switch feels very precise and solid. The LR60R has a proximity sensor. When objects come close it will downshift automatically to eco mode. When the object is removed it will go straight back to the previous mode. This function can be deactivated by a special switch combination. You will find the remaining runtime in hours and minutes at the top of the display. Below the current lumen output is shown. At the bottom there's the battery level indicator. The USB ports are underneath the rubber cover. With a power adapter that supports USB PD with 45 watts, the charging time is about 1.5 hours. But the USB-C port can also be used as a power bank to charge other devices with 45 watts power delivery. There's also a normal USB-A slot with power bank function. The individual battery pack is built from four 21700 batteries with 400 mAh each. A scorpion gave the inspiration for the outer design of the flashlight. The LR60R weighs about 1.5 kilograms and the body has a diameter of around 6 cm. But with a handle the lamp is well balanced and quite handy. A shoulder strap can be attached to the handle. You can attach the lanyard at the mounting point at the rear. A sturdy textile mantle charging cable is also included. It can be used as USB-A to USB-C with a built-in adapter or as USB-C to USB-C. A power adapter is not included. With a 1 ampere adapter from a smartphone, charging is very slow. With power delivery it is much faster. I think that's a quite impressive performance from the LR60R. If however you think that light is too mighty for you, please check out the LR40R version 2, which has the same concept of spotlight and floodlight, but is more compact and lightweight. And if you would like to see a comparison between the LR60R and the Fenix LR80R, then please write it below in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to that channel so you won't miss that video.